Guys, and welcome to Kenda's Agenda. Today I'm going to be sharing with you postpartum essentials. I'm not going to drag this intro out too long. I'm just going to get right into it. I feel like if I gave birth right now, I would be fine. Postpartum essentials that you must have to make it a smoother and even an enjoyable experience. I am going to be having a home birth, and I won't have the luxury of taking home tons of things that the hospital has to offer. So let me just go ahead and open it. I ordered my stuff off of Amazon. That was the easiest route. I have Amazon Prime. I just ordered this stuff a couple days ago and it's already here, so I'm super glad about that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pull things out and tell you why you need them and just a little bit about each thing. First, I have this carry bottle, which I picked up this one. It is by the brand Ninja Mom. It was a little bit cheaper than the Freedom Mom one. And it also came with this bag, so that's the reason that I picked it up. That way, if I need to take it with me somewhere, then I'll be able to do that. But this is what it looks like. And basically, it's like a little portable bidet. You can fill this up with warm water. You can also add witch hazel, you can add essential oils, or you can add herbs that may be able to heal you from tearing, stitches, or just even the fact that you have been stretched to 10 centimeters and have given birth to a baby. This is something that they usually give you a version of this in the hospital, and this one is pretty big, so it looks like I'll be able to fill it up, and then you can pull this out, and then you can just angle it and then squeeze water right onto your vagina to help heal it, to help clean it. That way you don't have to use tissue after you go to the bathroom. And for anyone who's given birth before, you know that it's not as simple as it seems. Like, it can be uncomfortable. So that's the Perry bottle. This is my first essential. The next thing on this list that I swear by, because I have a vivid memory of using these after I gave birth to my daughter, I got these Tux pads, and this is something that they provide in the hospital. They can help prevent or heal hemorrhoids if you have that, but not only that, it can just help clean your stitches if you have them, or just heal any tears, just soothing you back to womanhood. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like. They're basically witch hazel pads, but what's so convenient is that they don't break off. Like, if you were to try to make them yourself with cotton rounds, it's not gonna break off and leave like cotton in your lady area. They come in a pack of 100, so it's just gonna be really convenient to soothe. The next thing I picked up was some overnight maxi pads. These aren't your traditional maxi pads because I did want to opt in for something a little safer for sensitive skin. So I did go ahead and pick up these organic pads, and I've never used these before, but they're by the brand reusable. And it says that they're made with certified organic Texas grown cotton, and these are the overnight ones. They also have wings, which postpartum, non-postpartum, I need wings. Like, I don't need that sticky part getting on anything other than the panty itself. And it's 4 packs of 8, so these should last me quite some time. But I actually prefer to use a menstrual cup or cloth pads, but I know that for the first few days that the bleeding can be a bit excessive after giving birth, so I just wanted to have something that would be easy to toss and I wouldn't have to deal with cleaning it or drying them or having enough. Speaking of pads and cloth pads, I did go ahead and grab a pack of cloth pads. These came with a wet bag, but these will be handy for after the bleeding has been reduced. Not to mention, they'll also be very helpful for the future when my period comes back. But these had great reviews. They do come with the wings that snap closed, And then here's the little wet bag that it comes with, which is super nice because when I'm on the go, I can just toss them in here and then I can just put a fresh one on and I don't have to worry about trying to wrap it up or anything weird like that. I also ordered some disposable mesh panties, and these are going to be really helpful for the first couple of days. That way I can just easily like rip them off and throw them away. I don't have to worry about any staining because they are going to go straight into the trash after I wear them. And so I did go ahead and pick up a pack. I think they're going to be very helpful. They're really stretchy. They aren't going to be uncomfortable. After going through my mesh panties, I knew that I wanted to have something a little more comfortable. So I did go ahead and get these high-waisted underwear. These ones, when I looked up postpartum underwear, I don't know if these were Amazon's choice, but they did have a lot of reviews. A lot of women were saying that they used them after giving birth and that they were extremely comfortable. They made them feel more secure. This is what they look like. They're kind of like burning panties, but that's okay because, you know, after giving birth, I'm just trying to focus on getting my body back right. You know what I mean? And trying to recover and trying to be healthy and strong. So these are, I feel like they're gonna really hold me in. They have a really thick band for the belly. And here's something else that is going to be essential for postpartum. I got some reusable breast pads. These are bamboo breast pads. You can buy the disposable ones, but I just prefer to have things that I can use over and over without having to add to the waste that is already, you know, detrimental to this world. So they're nice and big. They feel really soft. They seem nice and smooth on the outside, so they won't really, you know, show through my bra or shirt. And I'm excited about these. They're really gonna come in handy. And then here's the little bag that it comes in, so you can just toss them in there when they're wet, and then you can wash them and keep them clean without having to worry about losing them. Something that is absolutely vital that I also picked up is this sitz bath. This is going to come in handy because it's going to be a way to relax, soak my lady parts, and it's just going to be a way to also heal them without having to be too invasive. So basically what you do with this is you sit it in the toilet. It doesn't touch the water that's already in the toilet, but you fill up the bag with water. If you want, you can add witch hazel, but what I plan on doing is using herbs by Earth Mama. That's the name of the brand, and basically this is going to help heal my nether regions. It's going to soothe them, and it's going to get everything back in order. The only other things that I haven't ordered yet, but I will insert a picture here, is nursing bras and nursing gowns. So these are pretty much luxury items. They aren't necessary, but they will just make things a little more comfortable for me. After my milk has regulated, I plan on getting a nice nursing bra from a brand called Bravado. And their bras are a bit pricey, but it's worth it to invest in something that's going to make you comfortable and even more healthy. And by healthy, I mean having a healthier experience opposed to having underwire in the bra or having cheaper bras that aren't really supportive. What are your essentials? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys must have, what you think is absolutely essential after giving birth. And even if it's just something that I already had on this list, let me know what you love so much about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye. Babe, I'm feeling nervous with you right here. I don't know why. Leilani, can you bring me my coffee out the fridge and the straw? Go.
Hi.
Love you.
I love you too.
I need that fan. Let me turn the fan on real quick. Babe, I'm about to record my video, so don't mind me, okay?